Welcome to this tutorial on how to customize the welcome email that are sent to all enrolled students using LearnDash LMS Custom User Enrollment plugin. If you are wondering about this amazing custom enrollment plugin, please watch the video, link for which is given above and in the description. Our plugin allows customization of mail and even HTML mail. Let's start by taking a look at the code snippet provided. This PHP code generates the HTML for the welcome email. First, install the LearnDash Custom User's enrollment and do not activate the plugin. Now, go to the plugin editor to select the LearnDash Custom User's enrollment plugin. Here, you can see placeholders like $first_name, $username, and $password, which are dynamically replaced with user-specific information when the email is sent. Now, let's customize the text of the email to better suit your requirements. We'll keep the structure of the email intact but modify the content to reflect our own messaging. For example, instead of Welcome to LearnDash LMS, we could change it to Welcome to your LMS name to personalize the greeting. If you want to replace the welcome image, just paste the full image URL here. You will find this image will come to user Gmail. Once you've made the necessary changes, simply replace the existing HTML code with your modified version. Click the Update button and there you have it. Let's see how it will show if you import a user from the LearnDash User Enrollment plugin. You've successfully customized the welcome email in LearnDash Custom User's Enrollment plugin. Happy teaching!